Hi friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Triley Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 8. We have some great progress on this project. We've got dirt out of the way. I can actually walk through the house today. That's so awesome. And the masons are complete with their side of the work, so I want to show you around. Here in the dining room, we have this firebox open so that the new gas fire unit can go in. We have this new lintel up so that all the block will stay in its place. But can you believe this opening? So we needed to open it up quite a bit so that they can get the unit in there and then get the venting up the chimney for this enclosed gas unit. Oh, it just looks so good. We've got all of our piles of dirt out of the way. Oh, it feels like a house again. So we've got all of our trenches infilled. They came in and put all this dirt back in these trenches. If you can believe it, all that dirt actually fit back in. It's just incredible. So they put in a pile of dirt and water it down, and then put in another pile of dirt and water it down, and we end up with filled trenches. You can see this whole bathroom has its plumbing all enclosed now too. Oh, the concrete company is going to be here in a couple of days so that they can do the concrete infill. Here's that office space. Here in the ensuite bathroom, it's the entire floor. Oh my goodness sakes. So we've got all this floor got dug up and covered in new dirt so that the plumbing could be run. They redid the tie-in for the toilet, and then they elevated that shower floor. That Roman tub came out and got infilled. Oh, friends, remember this bedroom and all that dirt that was up against that wall? Oh my goodness sakes, it all fit back in this hole, and that trench is all filled in. And then look outside. They took that trench that was outside, and it looks like nothing happened. Can you believe it? That is just amazing. Here we have the hall to the master bedroom. And here we are in this master bedroom. You can't even tell there was a fireplace. Well, you can, but once the drywall's put up and we have some foam insulation on that wall, it'll just look like that was a wall all along. But our masons did just a great job tying all this in, getting all those mortar lines done really well, and then enclosing the roof. Oh, goodness sakes, friends. It looks so good. But as you can see, master bathroom coming right along also. All of that is insulation that will need to be replaced. The shower here, the new water closet location, that's the toilet, that's the shower wall. But all that's going to be infilled because that's where the toilet were before. Oh, can you believe this master bathroom? Everything coming along so well. Well, that's our walkabout for today, friends. We have a lot of work accomplished. We've still got a lot to go, though. Thank you for being on this journey with us. We wouldn't be able to do it without you. We just so appreciate you being here. For Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 8. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.